Hey, Marcus here, and in this video you will learn how to start a simple online business in 3 simple steps. These steps are: Step 1, you need a platform to show off your offers. Step 2, you need something to offer. And Step 3, you need a group or audience to offer to. So what do each of these mean? What is a platform? A platform is a personal space in which you can offer or share your knowledge to the world. You can create as many platforms as you like to share different types of content, and you can reach different types of audiences, such as a website, a blog, or social media channels. Social media platforms such as YouTube and Facebook have revolutionized how we share our thoughts and our opinions with the masses by putting us directly where they are. And there are a ton of different social media channels out there to choose from. Number 2, what is an offer? The offer is something that you provide or recommend in exchange for money. There are many different types of offers, but the 3 most common are affiliate marketing, physical products, and specific courses or coaching. These products and services don't have to be your own. There are a ton of networks that provide you with all you need, and you can offer as many things as you like, meaning there's a lot of earning potential. 3, what is your group or audience? Your group or audience are the people you want to help most, your customers. Understanding who your customers are will help you find the platforms that they use and how to speak to them in a way that they'll understand, and create offers that are relevant for them that will help them do the job they want to do. Choosing products and courses that cater directly to their need is the key to being successful, and will help you make sure that you have offers that suit their best interests in mind. This is a simple 3-step overview of how to start an online business, and if you'd like to start your own online business, I have a 3-part video workshop that will help you get started the right way. Check it out in the description below. The world of online business is growing rapidly, and in 2022 is set to see content creators making offers reach over 104 billion, and that's just on YouTube alone. With an ever-increasing amount of videos being uploaded to the platform, and more people finding ways to talk to people that they want to help, it won't be long before YouTube takes its seat as the most popular means of online business platform. And that's just one platform. Well, that was my simple 3-step look at how to start an online business. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like what you see, please smash that like button so more people can see it, and hit the subscribe button to see more videos like this one. See you in the next video. Bye for now.